Welcome to South Delhi Flows Property Vlogs. So today we'll be doing a video tour for a 500 square yard first floor in GK1 W block. This is the detailed layout plan of first floor. Let's have a look at the features of this property before we start the video tour. It's a 500 square yards building and first floor is available for sale. It's a 4 bedrooms property on a very wider road and park facing location. There are 3 separate car parkings with an exclusive gate. This property has about 2800 square feet plus balconies and it has been made by one of the best builders of South Delhi. It's a fully legal property with completion certificate, all VRV air conditioning, all Italian marble flooring and best branded fittings have been used. Now let's start with the 4 bedroom property video tour. So today we are going to look at a property in W Block GK1. This is one of the best builder floor project in our opinion in Greater Kailash Part 1. It's a 500 square yards property and has a beautiful elevation. This property is located at one of the most sought after location of GK1 as it is facing a huge park and on a very wider road. Absolutely stunning and modern elevation. This building has a very well planned stilt car parking. There is a separate gate for every floor and every floor gets about 3 car parking. Only first floor is available for sale in this building. All the other floors have been already sold. So let's start with the 4 bedrooms property tour. This is the spacious and well planned entrance lobby for the first, second and third floor. After going through the lift, we have arrived at the charming wooden door entrance. Let's see the 4 bedrooms apartment from inside. So we are at the main living area. There is an ample space for entertaining guests. All Italian marble flooring has been used throughout the property. The drawing room has 2 side wraparound balconies and the interiors are absolutely bespoke. It's a huge drawing area and the size is 17 by 25 feet. A lot of detailing and styling has been used in designing the false ceiling throughout this apartment. Due to large aluminium profile doors and windows, you can see a lot of natural light coming inside the apartment. Now let me show you the front balcony of the first floor. Now this is a very spacious front balcony. It opens up from the drawing room and goes all the way to the first bedroom. Let's see the park view of this property. This building has ample of greenery around it. This is one of the most stylish balconies we have ever seen in South Delhi. A lot of detailing work has been done on one of the feature wall of the drawing room. So we are back at the wider and the spacious entrance foyer. Now let's check the first bedroom of this 4 bedrooms apartment. So here we have the first bedroom adjacent to the drawing room. This bedroom is very tastefully decorated. It's a very good sized bedroom and the size is 16 by 14 feet. Now let's see the stunning bathroom which is attached to this bedroom. It's a very nice looking bathroom. Every bathroom has a stylish vanity with a lot of storage spaces under it. Also, there is a very good size ensuite closet, a good size shower cubicle, this is the guest toilet or powder room. This is the beautifully decorated puja room. Beautiful wooden work on ceiling as well as inlay work on the marble has been done in the foyer. Moving forward, let me show you the kitchen. It's a beautifully designed modern kitchen. It's a very spacious kitchen and the size is 12.5 by 15 feet, plus there's a utility area also. All the luxury appliances are already pre-installed. No tiles have been used in this kitchen. All Italian marble has been used for flooring and for the wall cladding. This is the separate utility area and there is a very good size balcony also attached with the kitchen. So now we are at the stunning multi-utility family lounge. The size of the family lounge is 16 by 13 feet plus an open sit-up area. This open sit-up area is an ideal place to spend time with family and friends. Now let's see the second bedroom. This is one of the best construction of South Delhi by a very reputed builder. The size of this bedroom is 14.5 by 11.5 feet. Let's see the attached bathroom. All the bathrooms of this property have been designed very beautifully. A good size rain shower and shower cubicle area. This bathroom also has an ensuite closet. To enhance the beauty of the entrance foyer, a full height mirror has been provided. Moving forward, let's see the third bedroom. It's a lovely designed bedroom and a very spacious one also. The size of this bedroom is 12 by 18.5 feet. A lot of ensuite closets in bedrooms and bathrooms. Let's see the attached bathroom. A beautiful mirror in geometric pattern has been used for styling. This bathroom also has a full-size ensuite closet. This is the WC area. Another good-sized shower cubicle area. Every bathroom of this property has a unique and different style of contrasting stones combinations. Moving forward, let's see the really spacious and contemporary master bedroom. It's a huge master bedroom and the size is 15 by 18 feet. Even this bedroom has an ensuite closet and the feature wall has a very stylish wallpaper. Let's see the attached bathroom. This bathroom has truly stunning interiors. This bathroom also has waterproof wooden paneling on the walls as well as the flooring. A very uniquely styled designer rain shower. A very spacious shower area with sitting area. This bathroom also has glass finish designer wardrobes. If you would like to see this property, you can just call at this number 9999004511. And if you would like to know the price of this property, just post a comment, I'll let you know. I hope you have enjoyed this property tour. Do like the video, subscribe to our property channel as we'll be posting many more luxury properties all over the South Delhi.